Hello everyone, and welcome to part 4 of our Follow series. Part 1 to 3 are in the description below. Up here we can see the shoe rack that is jutting out into the cap. You can also see the astrofoil that's been laid down before the rest of the insulation because both the rear and the front cap get fully insulated just like the rest of the coach. And here we have the large pass-through. You can see that they've gotten more work done on it since the last time. And where the 40-pound tank will sit on this side. The largest difference from the last video is that the 3-inch thick super composite walls have been put in place. The roof has also been put in place, which has 16-inch on-center welded trusses. And from the interior here we can see the 1/4-inch ceiling material, which above that is plywood, a radiant barrier, batting, and 1/2-inch plywood before our Superflex adhesive. And coming down here, I just wanted to point out the spare tire. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time when the slides are in place.